Hello children, good morning and welcome back to English class. I hope that you all are safe and healthy at home. Children, today we are going to do picture composition from English grammar book. So, please take out English grammar books and open page number 88. Children, in my previous video, I have already explained you what is a picture composition. So, let us quickly revise it also. Picture composition is a description of a picture. A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture. That means you will have a picture in front of you. You have to carefully observe the picture and you have to answer the questions which are given to you. Understood, children? So let's move towards page number 88. Let's read the question. Choose the correct words and write them to fill in the blanks in the passage. The first one has been done for you. Now children, on page number 88, can you tell me which animal is this? I think everybody has seen also. Yes, I have also seen. Do you know which animal is this? Yes, it is an elephant. Very good. So, today we will learn some things about elephant. So, let's read the helping words. Giant ears. Now, do you know the meaning of giant? Yes, giant means big. Pull down trees. Long tusks. Spray water on myself. Elephant. Huge trunk. Sugarcane. Jaggery. Logs of wood. And lastly, land. Now children, here there are 4 pictures of elephant. Now in these pictures you can see elephant is doing different activities. Now let's read the passage. I have dash. Now elephant is telling about it. I have giant ears. Giant means big ears. So big ears you will write here. Here in the picture also you can see elephant is having big ears. Now dash and a dash. I have giant ears, long tusk and a huge trunk. Now these are ears. These are tusk, white color teeth you can see. These are the tusk and the trunk. Elephant is having long trunk. I used to carry things like heavy logs of wood. In the second picture you can see elephant is carrying logs of wood. These are the logs of wood. I also use it to pull down trees. Now elephant uses its trunk to pull down the trees. I use my trunk to spray water on myself. In the third picture you can see elephant is using its trunk to spray the water. You can see the elephant is spraying the water. I eat dash and dash. Now what does elephant eat? Yes, elephant eats sugarcane and jaggery. I live on dash. Now where does the elephant live? On land. So land will come here. Now who am I? I am an dash. Now Whose picture it is? It is the picture of an elephant. So you can write elephant here. So children, I hope that you have understood this and you have done this in your book also. These are the answers you can write down in the book itself. No need to write down this composition in your copies. You have to write down the answers only in the book itself. Understood, children? Now come to page number 89. There is one more picture composition for you. So let's read the question. Look at the picture and read the questions. You may write one-word answers. So the picture is given to you. You can see in your book also. The picture is given to you. The one who are not having the books, you can see on the screen. The picture is given to you. So firstly, you have to observe the picture very carefully. Can you tell me the picture it is the picture of what? Now where is this? Which place is this? You can tell me. Yes, this is a picture of a park. In the park, what you can see? Children are playing. Children are playing with football. And there are two boys. You can see two boys are there. One girl. One man. And one woman is sitting here. Two trees are there. Two birds are there. So children, firstly observe the picture very carefully. Understood? One dog is also there, you can see. The man is walking with the dog. Now you have to answer the questions which are given in your book. First question is, how many children are playing? Now children, tell me, count the number of children which are given in the picture. 1, 2, 3. Total how many children are there? 3. So the answer will be 3 children are playing. Now the next question. Where are they playing? Which place it is? Yes, they are playing in the park. Very good. Now the third question. How many birds are there in the picture? Now look at the picture and tell me how many birds are there. 1, 2. So the answer will be 2 birds are there in the picture. Only 2 you have to write. Rest answer will be copied from question itself. Understood, children? Only instead of how many you have to write 2. The rest answer will be from the question itself. So you can see you have given the answer in one word. Understood? Now the next question. What is the man doing? Can you tell me what is this man doing? The man is walking with the dog. So I hope children this is clear to you. All the questions are clear to you. Now question number 5th. Where is the woman? Can you tell me where is the woman? The woman is under the shady tree. You can see this is a shady tree. Now question number 6th. What is she doing? Now what she is doing? She is sitting. Now question number 7th. How many trees are there? Count the number of trees. 1, 2. So total 2 trees are there. So the answer will be there are 2 trees. Now the last question. How many boys and girls are there in the picture? Now you have to count the number of boys and number of girls. Now 2 boys are there, 1, 2, and 1 girl is there. Only 1 girl is there, na? So the answer will be, there are 2 boys and 1 girl in the picture. So it is very easy. Now I think you have understood how to do picture composition. Thank you for the lesson, children. Stay home and stay healthy.